We are here gathered for the launch of Terra restaurant, which serves multi-cuisine as well as world cuisine. So this is an open invite to everybody to come and experience the cuisines that we are having here and the kind of entertainment that we do here. And we are right in Kalangut, which is in the middle of the entire happening in this whole locality. If you take Shikerim, Kamdalim, Maga. So our entire aim was to make sure that we get this kind of entertainment and food onto the table of everybody who are not able to go to fancy restaurants. It is an affordable place where people can come, dine, have a good time. Thank you very much.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.